Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to adjust the noise reduction of one of your pictures in Adobe Lightroom. But before I get into that, I wanna say one thing. Please subscribe, comment, and like our videos because it really helps us grow. Okay, now let's jump into it. As you can see, I'm on my main page here right now. I have all of my camera pulled out, all of my images. Obviously, you wanna choose a picture which you wanna edit. I'm gonna choose this random one with the tattoo. Let's tap on that. Okay. From now, as you can see, there are different buttons at the bottom of your screen. We're gonna tap on edit. It's the third option. Tap on that. Here you will have to scroll to the right for a little bit until you see detail. Tap on that. Here you have at the top three things: sharpening noise, color noise. You will have to tap on noise, and after that you can adjust your noise reduction. So yeah, you can move it around, play with it. After you leave it there will appear two more things. These are just details for noise reduction. You can adjust the details, the contrast, as much as you would like. Yeah, guys, thanks for listening. See you in the next one.